Another advantage of baking soda is a clean fridge. We all know that foul smells can remain in refrigerators over periods of time. There is a simple, easy method to clean it out. Place baking soda in a small open pot and place it in your fridge. Place baking soda in a small open pot and place it in your fridge. This will absorb strong food odors, but also ensure that you occasionally stir the product so it stays effective, and replace the baking soda with a new batch every few weeks. To be more thorough, you can wipe the walls and shelves with a damp cloth that has been gently dabbed means D-A-B-B-E-D, dabbed in baking soda, and wipe everything down with a cloth that has been rinsed in lukewarm water.